The first part of Makharijul Haroof is throat letters, which are known as Huroof-e-Halqi. Because these letters are pronounced from our throat, that's why these letters are known as throat letters or Huroof-e-Halqi. These are 6 in numbers, and these 6 letters are divided into 3 parts. The first pair is pronounced from the deepest part, the second pair will pronounce from the middle part of your throat, and the third pair will pronounce from that part of your throat which is towards your mouth. 6 letters: Hamza Ha, Ain Ha, and Ghain Kha. The first pair, Hamza Ha, this pair is pronounced from the deepest part of your throat which is towards your chest. How can we pronounce this pair? Hamza Ha, Hamza Ha. Okay. The next pair is Ain Ha. Put your finger on the middle part of your throat, and when you are going to pronounce these both words, simply a little push on your throat and these letters will pronounce correctly. How can? Ain Ha, Ain Ha. Okay. Now comes to the third pair, which is Ghain Kha. This pair is pronounced from that part which is towards your mouth. How can we pronounce this pair? Ghain Kha, Ghain Kha. Okay. So I repeat these 6 letters: Hamza Ha, Ain Ha, and Ghain Kha. These are known as Huroof-e-Halqi.